Huh? You had that manual ticketing. There is Hyderabad airport doing manual ticketing.
ನಾಳೆ ನಾನು ಸ್ಟೇಬಲ್
So tomorrow morning you give me the tomorrow morning flight.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅರ್ಧ ಫ್ಲೈಟ್ ಬರ್ಗೆ
You are doing ishara like this. Others to come inside. Relatives and friends. Illegal passengers. Headache this is. After 8 they want us to come. What is the time now? It is 6. 2 hours I have to wait here endlessly. You have to reschedule our 3 tickets. I am in front of you. You are not able to do it. You are Yeah. So as you see, there is a lot of crowd here. I have come here for work and I had my flight back to Mumbai at 6:20. They have conveniently 5 minutes prior sent me a message that my flight is cancelled, and now we are waiting here endlessly for no reason. Nobody in the Indigo staff is able to help us. They are clueless and it's a total mess. I don't know if who's responsible for this, but passengers are struggling, senior citizens, people with kids at home, everybody is struggling. So there is no solution to this. So somebody who has a solution should come to our rescue of the passengers and not just hide inside their offices. They have given us no alternative. They are telling us to call the call center, which is not reachable. So it's a total mess at Chennai airport right now. There are no trains, no buses which go to Mumbai directly. We are not getting anything. And we have to wait here endlessly now for just to get, look at the crowd that is there. It is so much of crowd. And all of us are just, struggling to get in at the counter, and after we go there, they tell us there is no solution. So right now we are waiting here till 8 p.m. to get the next update. So it's all patience right now. It's okay, I'm okay to take the risk. You give me that flight.
Yeah, travel to flight is...
But what is possible for you to do that when nothing? You just say it is not possible. Why close the...
At least if the flight is cancelled,
What are you doing?
Manual boarding passes can be given, sir.
Sorry, one second. What? Answering. What is the answer? There is no ticket. There is no flight rescheduling. What are you answering? There is manual ticketing happening at Tata Airport. So I don't even follow up with your other colleagues here for this. किसके पास था वो मैनुअल टिकट? आपके पास था ना, वो दिखाना. Call center.
Delhi 2166. What is solution now? Cancel.
Why 7 days?
217 what will happen?
Why 7 days?
For both.
Yeah, I know it's your problem. That's not your problem. How do we travel back? You tell me कैसे travel करेंगे? You have alternate arrangement.
How do we know that the systems are up and we can just book the ticket right away, right then that time? We need to come here at 8 o'clock or shall we call or do what?
It is not about refund here.
But it isn't a surety that people who have already used the ticket.